Okay, welcome back to the channel, guys. Click like, subscribe to the channel. We're gonna talk about our FBA fulfillments as far as OA and RA, so retail arbitrage and online arbitrage. And then in the next video, we're gonna show you how to send wholesale directly from the wholesaler to Amazon FBA. But this is for people that you actually scan products or you actually bought some products. So I bought some Uno cards and Chutes and Ladders. And these retail, I caught them for a very, very good price, and I get a good return on them. I think I get $2 on the Uno cards and $5 on the Chutes and Ladders Classic. Uh, a lot of the toy stuff and a lot of the brand name stuff, you guys gonna have to get ungated for. And in a later video, before we go into private labeling, I'll do an overview and how to get ungated. Okay, so I got these two products that I don't need to sit in. What you will do, you will check this box here, and then go to the action. So, let me get back up. So to get to this screen, you're gonna go to inventory and manage FBA inventory. If you just have a drop shipping inventory, you'll go to manage inventory. So okay, go to the action. We are going to actually send and replenish right there. So, got 2 items selected, yes. And then you're going to click yes. I have 4 of these. Actually, go back. Okay, so in quantities. Okay, and I got 8 of those. Okay, so yes, I want to continue. So if it's case packed products, so case packed products are if you buy them in bulk. So if you buy something in bulk, that'll be case packed products. If you do individual products, which is usually the RA or the OA way of doing it, you're gonna put individual products. Go to the shipping plan. You want to make sure you ship from your address here. Okay. I actually gonna show how many units you have. You have 4 units. And okay, so you got 4 units. Now you gotta actually put the manufacturer. So you can look on the back of the box or either measure how much your box is gonna actually be. So I'm gonna go back and measure that. So if you guys don't know where to find and measure your boxes here, you can also go on Amazon, search the Amazon there. And so all we're gonna do is we're gonna put here 5.1, 3.6, what was the other one? 0.8 and 0.8. Weight in pounds, we're gonna go grams. Is it grams? Oh, ounces. So you have to go in. Okay. Chutes and Ladders. Alright, save that. Missing package weight. I don't know why they don't have these in kilograms, grams, pounds. I gotta convert that into pounds. Let's just say 1 pound. Let's save it. Alright. So then if you needed to add more products and you say you forgot a product, you could add more products here. We're just shipping in these 8 items. You want to go continue. No prep costs. Okay, so now you want to say who preps it. Do you want to prep it or do you want Amazon to do it? We're actually gonna have Amazon prep it. Choose a category. No, no prep needed. I'm gonna go choose a category. There's no prep, so you don't have to prepare anything. So if you did have to put something together, Amazon to prep it. No prep needed. Okay. Who labels? We want Amazon to do the labeling. It's just easier, I find, unless you got label sheets. So it costs $2.40 to label. So that's gonna come off of your Amazon there. Okay. So it looks like we got to ship to 2 different sites here. So one's going. Oh, actually 3. So one's going to Sacramento. Now initially, you're gonna actually go into your settings and do fulfillment by Amazon and change to one main shipping part, but you want Amazon to give you different. If they have to split it up, they have to split it up because they know where it's gonna sell at. So you don't want to handicap yourself by just creating one fulfillment center because it has fulfillment centers all over the place. So you want to make sure that you don't cap yourself. But some people do just like it at one specific place, uh, only because they just don't feel like boxing up 3 different products or having 3 or 4 different splits there. Click continue. It's gonna that you're gonna download. Okay, so the main thing you do want to do is download the list because that list has to go inside the box. Okay, so make sure you download that list and then print the list out. Okay, then we're gonna go here for Sacramento. Now you can choose your carrier. This is going to be shipped in small individual boxes, or if it's shipped in a pallet. When we get to shipping directly to Amazon from wholesalers, that that truckload and that pallet is going to actually come in. This can go to UPS. So if you have a UPS store inside, or you have an UPS store somewhere near you, or UPS near you, you could drop it off. I mean, instead of this kind of product. Or you can just take it to the post office. Uh, Post office also works too. So how will the shipment be packed? Everything's going to be in one box. You can fit it in one box or 2 boxes, 1 per box. Okay. Shipping charges. You're going to have the box weight. We said 1 pound for. So basically, Chutes and Ladders is about a pound, so you're gonna put about 2 pounds. You're gonna have to get your box dimension. So if you go grab a box from a handy store, a hardware store, or even just boxes laying around, make sure you put the dimensions in the box, and then it will come up with a shipping charge. So I'm actually gonna go and find the box to put that in, and then we're gonna go. So it's 12 by 12 by 12 we found here. Go here, calculate the shipping charges, $5. So yeah, that's why you guys want to make sure you, when you put in the cost and when you're um, looking for stuff to sell on Amazon, you want to make sure that you cover all these charges. Print box label, yes. After you printed those labels, you can complete your shipment and then move on to the next shipment. Okay, guys, just to reiterate, go to your inventory FBA, check the ones that you want to send in, make a shipment plan. Once you make a shipment plan, grab some boxes, label the boxes. As you can see, they want you to label them on the side there, not on the top, so on the side. Uh, After you make those shipments, tape them up. Make sure you download the contents, so that SKU, download that shipment plan, put it inside the box, seal your box up, take it to UPS or either the United States Postal Service. Take it there. You don't have to pay anything. Just drop it off, and it goes right to Amazon. And then once Amazon checks it in, it becomes live. Click like, subscribe to this, and then on the next video, we're gonna actually show you how to send directly from a wholesaler once we get our wholesale applications up and stuff. But we'll see you in the next video. If that doesn't happen by then, and we'll just go and do an overview, and then we'll go dive right back into drop shipping. Click like, subscribe. Thank you.